Hey y'all, come on in and welcome back to another video. This will be my first time using SHEGLAM while creating a springtime makeup look. I had purchased the In Bloom palette along with other few SHEGLAM products. Oh gosh, and the colors in this palette are so gorgeous, very spring-like. So yeah, let's dive on in. So as usual, starting off with my NYX eyeshadow base. Now with this beautiful purple shade named Plum Wine, I'm going to work that above my outer corners. So right where you feel your brow bone is where you want to work that color the most, and generously work it through the crease. Dress to impress. That bright purple will be applied directly into my outer corners and then worked in my crease. This very subtle light purple called Geisha Grape will be applied right on top of the Plum Wine for my transition shade. And this very light pinkish purple shade will be also blended in to help with that transition. And then I'm just going to blend everything out with my blending brush. Miss So Pretty, this beautiful purple shimmery shade, will be packed on with my flat brush all over my lids. So I purchased the Wow Jelly eyeshadow pop. The consistency is very jelly-like, and you can see the pretty tints of blue in the color. So I thought it would be a really nice addition to this look. Just using a small angle brush, I applied just a little bit of that in my inner corners. And then I got a little bit more of the Miss So Pretty shade I used for my lids to just help blend that out. This here is the Insta Bake Beauty Bakery foundation. I applied that all over my face and I threw it away afterwards because it's super old and I shouldn't even put it on there to begin with. But we're gonna make it work. That is the Body Balm by Soul in the shade Dark or Deep, so one of the two. It'll be all in the description box down below, but I'm going to blend that in to help with that shade. That is the Tarte foundation, and I'm not sure what color that's in, but I'm going to be applying that on my chin, under my nose, under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, and just make sure I blend all that out. The dose of colors will be applied as my contour on the side of my face, my jawlines, and around that head. And I'm just going to be blending all that out. Sculpting that nose with my concealers I used from my face. The lighter one will be going down the middle of the bridge onto both sides of the nostrils. The darker one will be going on both sides of that bridge. and I'm just going to be softly and carefully blending everything out. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and yellow, I believe, oh no, banana, either yellow or banana. Like I said, everything will be in the description box down below, but I'm going to be applying a light amount. That's not so light, I'm so heavy-handed, but you only need to apply a dusting of this stuff where you applied that lighter concealer. And then Fenty Beauty's bronzer palette will be applied where I have applied my darker concealers. The NYX Blush and Peak Fetish will be applied on the apples of my cheeks. And the Laura Geller highlight will be applied above that blush and down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going back in my Bloom palette with the shade Gen Zen, and that's going to be applied on my lower lash line. That beautiful shimmery champagne look called Bamboozled, I'm going to be applying that underneath the corner of my eyebrows. And then with a small little blending brush, I'm going to be blending that out. Also taking that color in my inner tear ducts. Using some mascara for my bottom lashes. So I purchased 2 lip sets from off the website. This one I had used the end with the lip liner, and that's like a really dark brown, pretty dark brown shade. And then for the other set I used the Super Slick Clear Gloss, and I just kind of blended that out with the liner and applied it all over my lips. Using MAC's setting spray. Alright everyone, this is the finished look. I am so satisfied with how this came out. A very spring inspired look. I really definitely will be using more SHEGLAM products in the future, and they're so affordable too. But anyway y'all, so thank you for stopping by, and until next time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.